It's your boy, Major Vernon J.K., Mr. Money Man, aka I do real estate, aka I'm an entrepreneur. This is day 97, y'all. We got 97 days to go. 100 days to a 100K challenge. For those of you who are new to the channel, definitely subscribe, hit that bell button, and ride along with us on this journey, man, to making 100,000, 100K in 100 days. Uh, Three tips, man, to make sure that you have a successful uh, challenge completion. Everybody's not going to be on the same board as far as what their goal is. Some of you might just be on a 10K, maybe a 20K, or 30K. I've been in the business. I'm pushing myself a little bit to the extreme, and the tips still are valid, and hopefully you can use them to make sure that you succeed in this challenge. Tip number one, man, if you're able to move around, driving for dollars. Driving for dollars will definitely get you a list of properties to where you can come back, get on the computer, search the web, track down these homeowners, and possibly potentially get their number, send them a letter, do whatever you gotta take, track them down, social media, whatever you gotta do to get in contact with those people. So first one, driving for dollars. Second one, utilizing the county websites for foreclosure listings, tax liens, tax uh, sales, whatever free method of finding these leads. Go to your local tax assessor website. Look for the tax deed, tax lien notification. Subscribe to them and get on those lists. Get your skip tracing on. Track down those homeowners. Send them letters. Track them down. Uh, Third thing, bandit signs. Bandit signs definitely put you out a couple We Buy Houses signs. It's not going to generate as much, but it'll definitely get the traction going. It gets you in the mood to knowing that any phone call you get is potential for someone that's looking to sell. You'll possibly also get some buyers in the mix who you can actually wholesale these particular properties you're going to begin under contract. You probably get some buyers for those. So three things, man, short and sweet. Driving for dollars, county websites, bandit signs. Three things, man, to make your 100 day to 100K challenge successful. It's your boy. Stay tuned for the next video. Hit that subscribe button, smash that bell, man. And it's your boy, Major Vernon, giving you the news, the blues, and the clues to get your money right. 100 day to 100K. Peace.